It is widely understood that nuclear bombs are scary, but many people don't know the full effects of them.
From the initial effects to the long-term consequences, the silent dangers continue to haunt communities, decades after the bombings and testing.
What have been the greatest costs of nuclear weapons development, testing, and use?
Nuclear weapons involve creating explosions by either fusing or splitting atoms.
They were first introduced during World War II when the US bombed the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
These attacks proved the weapons to be atrocious destroyers of the Earth.
More than 150,000 people died in the attacks, and even more died of radiation poisoning. These attacks thankfully led to some laws and acts being passed in hopes of preventing a nuclear war, but nuclear testing proved to be another treacherous threat.
The effects on the environment also proved themselves to be deadly. The Bikini Atoll, for example, was once threatened with life. After a nuclear test went wrong and a bomb exploded much larger than intended, the water around these islands was contaminated, and the animals were put at risk of serious health issues.
The effects on the people were just as intense. When the nuclear bombs were fired, they produced something called ionizing radiation, which kills or sickens those exposed. A common long-term effect was cancer. Many types of cancers were found in people involved in the bombing, ranging from the brain to the pancreas.
Food being contaminated was another big problem. The crops were heavily treated with chemicals and the water was severely contaminated. People were told that eating these foods and using this water was safe, when in fact it was very dangerous and caused long-term problems.
While interest peaked, testing increased, and these tests often harmed those nearby. Countries also began to put heinous amounts of money into these weapons.
The cost of atomic weapons severely outweigh the benefits. Nuclear power has only been used twice in world history, yet the effects of testing were more than extensive.
Killing thousands of people while attacking a country is never the answer. The cost is life, and the benefits are shallow.